Foreign? Yes, when you start eating honey every day. Winnie the Pooh, Shaggy, and Scooby-Doo, and even Popeye or Garfield all loved honey. Our bet is you love honey as well, and you are right to do so. Honey starts as flower nectar that gets broken down into simple sugars stored inside the honeycomb. The design of the honeycomb and the perpetual fanning of the bees' wings triggers evaporation, creating that sweet liquid honey. The type of flowers influences the color, taste, and fragrance of the honey. So there are tons of honey types out there. But why is honey so good and so appreciated since ancient times? Let's not forget that it was once thought of as the food of the gods. What happens when you start eating honey every day? What are the benefits? This is what we are about to find out in this video. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked and reviewed by qualified health professionals. With that said, let's jump in and talk about the 10 benefits of honey and why you should eat it every day. Number 1, it sweetens your days. We thought we'd start with something poetic here. Honey is an excellent source of energy and antioxidants that can easily replace sugar, so you can add it to yogurt, tea, or coffee, and thus avoid the damaging effects of plain sugar. A small caveat here. Honey is also a type of sugar. It's healthier than white sugar, but it can still cause your blood sugar levels to spike. You can also use honey when cooking or baking goodies. What is more, honey is renowned as a home remedy that can be applied to burns or wounds to soothe the symptoms. If you have kids under 1 year of age, you should refrain from giving them honey. It could cause botulism. Botulism is caused by a strong toxin produced by Clostridium botulinum bacteria, which lives in the soil and dust and can also contaminate honey. This toxin attacks the nervous system and causes paralysis in infants. It rarely affects adults. Number 2, you will sleep better. The work hard and hustle everyday mentality of today's inspirational speakers can damage the quality of life and health. Hard work and little sleep can have damaging effects on your body in the long term. So replace it with work, have fun, sleep, repeat. It's a lot healthier anyways. If you have trouble sleeping 7 to 9 hours per night, honey can help by triggering the release of melatonin, the hormone that your body uses to recover itself during sleep. Melatonin production can get stuck for various reasons, from spending too much time on blue light screens to watching TV or doing high-stress tasks close to bedtime. Eating honey right before bed can spike your insulin levels, releasing tryptophan that then becomes serotonin, which turns into melatonin. Number 3, you will learn faster. Honey is thought to improve overall brain function. Research suggests it can prevent neuroinflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and improve memory and learning capacities. Scientists also believe that honey can slow down age-related cognitive decline and also reduce anxiety. Eating honey regularly can also help you stay focused and alert for longer. However, despite recent discoveries, there is much more to learn and understand about the effects of honey on the brain. Liking our video so far, before we move on to the next benefit of honey, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, so you never miss out on our new informative videos. Number 4, you will be more relaxed. Honey helps soothe nervous tension and relieve fatigue. The glucose in honey is quickly absorbed in the blood, powering up neurons and easing anxiety or other psychological disorders. Anxiety is a serious issue that you should not leave untreated. It can arise from any number of factors, and diet can be one of them. There is a lot of research on nutrition as a metabolic treatment for anxiety, so raw honey is an excellent addition to many diets, especially if you are struggling with mental health and anxiety. Studies on rats have proven that honey's anticonvulsant and antidepressant effects can bring important neurological enhancements. The nutrients in honey include minerals like calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. Honey also contains ascorbic acid, pantothenic acid, niacin, and riboflavin with significant antioxidant effects. Add some honey to your daily routine. It is so easy. You can simply start by replacing the sugar in your coffee and tea with honey. Not only will it sweeten your day, but also your mood and health. You will see number 5. It soothes sore throat and coughing. Honey is well known in the artist's world for soothing a sore throat. Moreover, honey can help in the case of the common cold, and even lessen the severity of coughing. The potent nutritional and antibacterial properties of honey make it a good companion in the case of colds or the flu. Whenever you're feeling a little bit under the weather, try honey. It can reduce pain and inflammation when it comes to swollen lymph nodes. In fact, when it's common cold season, make sure you've got some honey around. Honey is also recommended for children over 1-year-old struggling with respiratory infections that affect sleep. A scientific review of several studies of honey and coughing in children has shown that honey can be a great alternative to many cough medications. In fact, some research suggests that honey can be more effective than diphenhydramine when it comes to reducing coughing duration. And symptoms, we have also found scientific reviews that showed honey could improve sleep quality for children with cold or flu, and their parents, so honey can act as a natural and safe cough suppressant. Have it around and use it wisely. Number 6, improve your gut health. Raw. Honey is a solid prebiotic nurturing good bacteria and facilitating healthy digestion. It contains oligosaccharides, which are chains of carbohydrates that cannot be absorbed by the digestive tract, so they pass on to the colon, where they ferment and create short-chain fatty acids that help bifidobacteria, strains multiply, and thus aid in digestion. Due to its high vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant profile, honey can ease acid reflux or GERD by reducing inflammation and restraining nitric oxide and prostaglandin production. What is more, a study done on mice has shown that honey can soothe and heal the gut lining, improving gut microflora and reducing the buildup of toxins. Some scientists claim honey can be an effective treatment, even for Helicobacter pylori bacteria, a common cause of stomach ulcers. Honeycomb is also great for your gut health. It features vitamin A and traces of fiber, which can help balance out the gut microbiome, promoting beneficial gut bacteria. Although more research is needed, there are some promising evidence that adding honey to your regular diet can help improve your gut health and relieve acid reflux. Number 7, it lowers bad cholesterol. In a study published in the Scientific World Journal, participants consumed 70 grams of honey daily for 30 days. The results were positive, showing a 3% reduction in total cholesterol. Another somewhat similar study published in the Journal of Medicine and Food demonstrated an 8% reduction in bad cholesterol. But why? Well, honey is a powerful antioxidant shown to reduce bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels by considerable margins, boosting HDL good cholesterol levels. Number 8, it strengthens your heart. Heart disease is the number 1 chronic disease in the United States. Unfortunately, it is also the leading cause of death globally, according to the World Health Organization. 9 million people died from cardiovascular disease in 2019, representing 32% of all global deaths. So, protect your heart. Folks, diet is one way to start adding more antioxidants and healthy nutrients to your diet, can keep your heart healthy and strong. Honey is rich in antioxidant, phenolic acids, and flavonoids that help support better health overall. Honey's potent antioxidant profile can prevent arteries from narrowing, lowering the risks of headaches, memory loss, or cardiac failure. Having a glass of water with a few spoons of honey daily may prevent that. According to various scientific reviews, honey can also help lower blood pressure and improve blood fat levels. This will regulate your heartbeat and prevent cellular decay. If we were to get in more detail, let's look at one observational study, including 4,500 people over the age of 40. Scientists have proven a positive association between moderate honey intake and a reduced risk of high blood pressure. There are various other studies done on rats that proved honey could protect the heart from oxidative stress. What is more, honey is also great at improving cholesterol and triglyceride levels. We know that cholesterol is one of the risk factors for heart disease, so by lowering bad cholesterol levels and improving good cholesterol, you also reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 9, lose weight. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, honey can suppress appetite, the essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. and honey will give your body the energy it needs without adding to your weight. However, now you can come and say, "But honey is full of sugar." Well, yes, but that sugar has a different composition than the white powder you usually put in your coffee. The sugar in honey helps boost your digestion and metabolism. In fact, you should do a swab, substituting sugar for honey for good. Combining honey with cinnamon can also help you lose visceral fat, lower blood pressure and cholesterol, and boost insulin function and metabolism. Here's one simple and delicious honey cinnamon recipe. You can try boil a cup of water and then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon to it. Let it boil again for another 5 minutes. Take it off the stove and let it cool. Once it has reached room temperature, add 1 teaspoon of honey stir and drink 1 cup of this drink in between meals. Can save you from snacking on unhealthy tidbits. Number 10, you'll get a good portion of antioxidants and nutrients. High-quality unprocessed honey contains potent bioactive plant compounds and antioxidants such as phenolic acids and flavonoids. The darker varieties of honey tend to be packed with more antioxidants than the lighter ones our body needs. Antioxidants, almost like it needs oxygen. Antioxidants help slow down premature aging and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. So make sure you always have honey in your house. Not only will it sweeten your days, but it will also keep you healthy. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Like this one, thanks for watching. Your wellness is our mission.